Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to look into the question paper 42, which is October, November 2019. So let's have to look question number 7 over here. So it says find f of minus 3. So we are given f of x as a 7 minus 2x. So we're supposed to find f of minus 3. Simply we need to plug the value over here, so we just simplify it. So 7 plus 6, so which means this is equal to 13. Now in the next one, b part of it says find h of g of 30. So there are different ways to do this one. You can first of all maybe find g of 30. So g of 30 is g of x is given by 10 by x. So g of 30 will be 10 over 30. So which means this is 1 over 3. And then you can find h of 1 over 3. Since h of g of 30. So g of 30 we already found. So now once we are going to find h of 1 over 3. So 7 minus 2 times 1 by 3. So 7 minus 2 by 3. So that's mean this will be equal to, so 7 minus 2 over 3. So this will be 19 over 3. Okay. Next, f inverse. So as we know, f of x is given as 7 minus 2x. So let's write here x is equal to 7 minus 2x. So once we are finding inverse of it, so since we know this is the function, so function is equal to y, then you can replace. There are different ways also you can do this one. So there is another way of doing this one. So you can make x the subject, then at the end replace x and y. But here let's say if we replace x and y earlier, and we're going to make y the subject. So that's mean 2y is equal to 7 minus x. So this will give us y is equal to 7 minus x divided by 2. So that's mean f inverse of x is 7 minus x divided by 2. Or if you want to give your answer in a different way, so 7 over 2 minus x by 2. But this is better to give the answer. Okay, in the next part it says find g of 2 of x plus 1 is equal to 4. So g of x is 10 over x. As we know, g of x is equal to 10 over x. So we need to find g of 2x plus 1. So that's mean we need to replace x with 2x plus 1. So this is 10 over 2x plus 1. And it says this g of 2x plus 1 is equal to 4. So that's mean 10 over 2x plus 1 is equal to 4. So we need to solve this. So here we have a denominator by 2x plus 1. So by multiplying both sides by 2x plus 1, so we will get this on the other side. So 10 is equal to 8x plus 4, which means 8x is equal to 10 minus 4 is 6. X is equal to 6 by 8, so which means x is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, in the next question it says simplify giving your answer as a single fraction. So we need to simplify this one. So 1 over f of x, so 1 over, what was f of x? 7 minus 2x. So 1 over 7 minus 2x plus 10 over x. G of x is 10 over x. So now we need to simplify this and to write as a single fraction. So you can see here like we have different denominators. So whenever we are trying to solve fractions, we wish to add or subtract, so we need to make the denominator same. So here what we can do, we can multiply this by x to make the denominator same, and here we need to multiply by 7 minus 2x to make the denominator same. So once we get the denominator same, so we can add these fractions. Now the denominator, because it says simplified, so we don't need to multiply the denominator because this is already in a simplified form, but we have to expand the numerator. So this will be 10 times 7 is 70 minus 20x, and then from here we will get 70 minus 19x over x times 7 minus 2x, and that is answer to this question. Okay, in the next question it says find h inverse of x is equal to h inverse of 19683. Okay, let's see what is h inverse h of x. H of x is 27 to the power of x. So as h of x is 27 to the power of x. Now if we rearrange this, so we try to bring h to the other side, which means x is equal to h inverse of 27 to the power of x. So now from here, as we know, this is equal to 1, because here h of x is equal to 27 to the power x. So now h inverse of this is how much? So which means 27 to the power x is actually equal to 19683. And then here, because right now we are in the situation, so we have to find the value of x, but x is in the numerator. So what we can do here, so since this can be converted into 3 to the power, so this can be written as 3 to the power of 3x, and on the other side, if we look for this one, so cube root of 19683, so this is again 27, so 19683, so this is 3 to the power of 3 to the power of, so this is 3 to the power of 9. So we compare the bases, the bases are same, so we compare the powers. So 3x is equal to 9, so which means x is equal to 3. Okay, next question. Make p the subject of 5p plus 7. So we need to make p the subject, so we'll keep p on this side and we bring 7 to the other side, and then at the end we need to divide by 5. So p is equal to m minus 7 over 5. Then again here we need to make p the subject. So this time what I will suggest, like we can bring this to the other side and this over here. So that's mean 2p square is equal to y square minus h. P square is equal to y square minus h over 2. So which mean p is equal to square root of y square minus h by 2. Remember, this y square cannot cancel out because this is considered as a single term. Okay, in the next one it says we need to write OA as a column vector. So column vector OA, since you remember like column vectors, we need to write the vectors in this form. So x, y. So the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 5. Now it says write AB as a column vector. Since we need to write the vector A to B, so if you look over here, create a rectangle. So this went one down from A to B if we go. So we are at 5. So minus 1 is 4, and then we need to go minus 3 to the left. So that's mean A, B is minus 3 and minus 1. Or else later you will study like we can do position vector of B minus position vector of A. So in this way we can also find, so B is minus 3 and 4 and A is 0, 5. So simply subtract them so you can get the same answer as we just found. So now in the next one it says A and B lie on a circle, center O. Calculate the length of arc AB. So AB lie on a circle with center O. So that's mean this is the center, so AB are on the circle over here, and then we need to calculate the arc length AB. So in this case, if they lie on a circle, so here you can say like this will be the arc length like this. So we need to find this arc length. Okay, so this is 6-mark question. So we need to calculate the arc length AB. So this is the arc length. But here, what we know so far, we know this is the radius 5, 5. So in order to calculate the arc length, so we need to know the angle at least. So we don't know the angle. So what we can do, we can maybe construct a triangle over here, because as we know AB already, so AB is minus, as we just found, minus 3 minus 1. So we know these two distances, but we don't know this distance, so we can find or use the distance formula. So minus 3 squared is 9 and minus 1 squared is 1, so this is root 10. So this length will be root 10. Now we know this length, and this length, so we can find this angle x. So we can use cosine rule. So cosine of x is equal to 5 squared plus 5 squared minus square root 10 squared over 2 times 5 times 5. So we can find the angle x, which is 36.87. So once we know this one, since we need to find the arc length AB, so AB will be angle over 360 times 2 pi r, so which is 2 times pi times 5. So using a calculator, so we will get the arc length 3.2175. So that's mean the arc length will be 3.22. So here you can write our answer. The arc length AB is 3.22. Hope you like the videos. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.